Hey everybody, Regina from Eat What Travel Life, and today we're talking about canning corn, sweet corn in the pressure canner, and just a couple tips that you're going to need to know. You'll need to have 1-inch headspace on your jars, and you'll need to process them for 55 minutes for a pint and quarts for 1 hour and 25 minutes. You want to make sure that your corn is cooked before you start canning, and remove it from the cob. And that's really all you need to do to get started. It does take a lot of processing time to get it done, but it is so rewarding and so worth it and so delicious. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, you're going to take your corn that has been cooked, and you're going to want to remove it from the cob. And just repeat this process with all your cobs of corn that you want to can. Now that we have the corn removed from the cob, it's time to start putting the corn into the jars. What you'll want to do is take your jar, put the funnel on it, and scoop in your corn. You're going to want to leave headspace. Sometimes you got to shake it so you can look down at the side and see how much is in there. And then you'll want to put your water in and keep continuing and getting the rest of them canned. You want to place the corn into hot water bath. Now, if you've got hot water in your jars, you should use hot water in your canner as well. And this is the same if you've got cold water in your jars. You should have cold water in here to start so that there's no damage done to the jars. And then you put the top on and you pressure cook it. And once it's done, you let it release. And then you are able to remove them. Waiting for my pressure gauge to get up 10 pounds. To remove the jar, just lift up, let the excess water come off. Place the jar on a towel so that any excess water will run off and keep it from slipping. And then you are all set. You just need to let them cool, and these will retract once they are completely sealed. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. Have a great day.